Anytime you will divide variables or numbers with the same base, okay, you're supposed to always keep the base and subtract the exponents. Remember, you can do that only when you have the same base, okay? Now let's take a look at the first example. I have x to the 8th divided by x to the 6th, okay? My base is x. Okay, I keep the base. Next, I have to subtract the exponents. Okay, so I have 8 minus 6. This is x. 8 minus 6 is 2. So this is the solution to my problem. Now let's take a look at this example. Okay, the base for 7 is y. Okay, don't confuse with negative y, okay? Because we have no parentheses, that's why y is the base to 7, okay? And base to 4 is y also, okay? Now I have negative sign, and anytime I do not have any sign over here, there is positive sign. So first what we are going to do, we are going to do the division of the signs. So I have negative divided by invisible positive will give me negative sign, okay? Next I have to keep the base, which is y, and subtract the exponents. So I have 7 minus 4 is equal, let me copy down, minus y, and 7 minus 4 is 3. This is the solution to my problem. Now let's take a look at another example. The base is 2011. Okay, that's why I'm going to keep this base, 2011, and I'm going to subtract the exponents, 13 minus 5, which is going to be equal 2011, and 13 minus 5 is 8. This is the solution to my problem.